Why do you walk under it? Show them.
Show who? It's just me and Lucy.
Show me.
It's just me and you here. Hi. Are you and your mama?
Aren't you scared? I'm leaving, bye. I'm putting a ball lamp there. Getting some stuff moved in. My dad and Brandon just moved up stove, and I was sitting outside. And the stove got dropped down a few steps, and I just hear, Brandon, move. I thought he was crushed. Oh, so bad. Lucy's grabbing the camera right now. We brought this dresser that's been with me for so long, and then the TV will go above it. And then over here, we just put this big rug down that I think I'm gonna put into Lucy's quote-unquote playroom, because it just feels very young and fun. And I've had it for so long that I'll get a new rug in here. I have no idea what yet. Rugs are so expensive. The kitchen, we've got the fridge in its spot. I showed you guys that, which isn't working right now. Hopefully it works. This is just the kitchen table from the studio, and I actually like it, and then I want to build like a booth back there so the red chairs won't be staying there. This is like the playroom. I feel really guilty. I got Lucy a cage, but it's just to keep her safe from Ernie. Not that Ernie's shown any signs of, you know, not being safe, but I am what's that word? I'm proactive when it comes to those things. And again, they're never left alone with each other, but still, Ernie matches the rug. And here we've got the bathroom and us. We did it baby pink, which you guys saw. It is so bright in there and just so stinking cute. The bathroom's my favorite room in the whole house. Oops. Okay, then the bedroom, we agreed. Brandon hates these paper lanterns so bad that I told him we could get rid of this one, but we're keeping the other one. I'm gonna bring it to the studio. The king bed in here. Nothing is staying like this in here. The bed's not staying like that either. But we do have the mirror and my closet I filled up. And then Lucy's room is coming together so well. This chandelier used to be in my baby room. Then this was my old crib. So cute. And my parents are gonna take that other one. And then I found this little changing table at Facebook Marketplace for $15. We have to put up her blackout curtain. She's got a closet. And that's it for right now. But it's literally coming together so well. I'm so excited. Oh, my mom's here. Okay, bye. I don't know what this video is or how these updates are going, but you guys want to see updates? I just got an IKEA Solderman couch because it's pretty inexpensive compared to couches. I do not like how it looks with the checkered rug. So I want to get like a Persian red rug, and I'll probably get like a nice one. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on this couch because baby and, you know, Ernie, and it's tiny because like where the couch would go is pretty small, but I like that it's at least a little bit deeper. You can zip off all the covers. That's why they look bad right now. You can zip them off and machine wash them, so I thought that was good. And then also there's so many companies online that make like different slip covers for this in a bunch of different colors, because I am not one to like a beige couch, but there weren't really any choices besides like black, beige, or gray, I think. I have armrests that are gonna go on it, but I got the wrong colors for that. And then as you can see, like I just threw Ernie's bed on it. I'm not like even a fan of an L-shaped couch. It's comfy, and I knew that I could push it against the wall for Ernie, put his bed on it, and he can look outside like that. He also will stick his bed here and he looks outside, and it's funny because he has that beware of dog sign. We started putting little knickknacks up here, which is fun. I have to put different blinds up. Those aren't gonna stay, but I just can't live with everybody seeing my business. As I post it online, I'm a hypocrite. And that's a really good coffee table. I was left 2 like mid-century long coffee tables, which don't like really work with an L-shaped sofa, so I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that. And like, you know, aesthetically this couch wouldn't be on the wall. I am a dog mom at heart, so I'm gonna do that for my dog and get the more expensive, longer sofa and couch mixed together for the bean. Yeah, and then this carpet rug, it gets so dirty so fast because like I have the worst of both worlds. Like things show up in the white and things show up in the black, and it's crazy how the black actually normally looks dirtier than the white just from links and stuff like that. That rug is still just like, I like it. So we're gonna put it in what we've deemed now as Lucy's playroom. This house is run by the dog and the baby. See ya. The rug's smaller, but I think it looks good. I kicked the children out. I'm like rearranging everything. How giant does this TV look? It was in the studio and now it looks like we look crazy, I feel like we're TV people. I guess we are TV people. These are Bean's toys. Oh, so this rug is smaller, but it was my parents'. And well, my dad was using it and he let me keep it or have it. So, you know why I like it? Because it's free, and it actually is beautiful. Oh, it's pretty cozy. I like it. This Ernie bed is pretty fun. Ugly. I don't like that ugly. See, now we got the bench, which like you can also actually sit on. And like this is a really nice nook. Let me show. I need to zhuzh it up. And like, let me fix these. So this is not the reveal obviously, but isn't this rug pretty? Look how much better that looks with the armrests. Or am I crazy? And then this like lines up really nicely for Ernie to keep his bed on there. I don't love how his bed looks on there obviously, but it keeps him from like destroying the couch. So I'm not like totally opposed to it. Also, who doesn't love that angle? And then this, like, I thought would look really stupid there because it's so tall, but these arms are so high that it actually kind of works because any other side table you wouldn't be able to reach it. And then he's on it, but it's crooked. I think if we just switch out this pillow cover, it'll look a lot better. And also, I just put this all together myself and it's so freaking hot outside. Also, how cute is this set? It's actually pajamas from Old Navy that I'll definitely be wearing. I already wore today as summer clothes. If I switch out this pillow cover, I think it will look not so bland. And then also, if I get, I have like a 12 by 12 pillowcase that I was using at the studio, or pillow insert. And I think if I add another pillow to this, it will just make the couch not look so sterile, because I am not a beige couch girly, but this couch was so inexpensive compared to like other couches. New, you can take off the covers, you can wash them. Like, it's not the nicest couch ever where a baby, it's okay if something happens to it. And then we can, what's it called? Get a new one down the line and like put this in the basement or something. Still so much to tackle, but it's looking amazing. This carpet feels weird on my bare feet. I just reorganized the bathroom, my makeup, and it's so cool having like my own bathroom. Not my own, Brandon's in here too, but he doesn't have makeup, so I took the top drawer. And if you think that's rude, it is. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's all my makeup. I have way more than I thought. Okay. If you guys haven't heard of Squarespace before, it's an all-in-one platform for building your brand and growing your business online. Stand out with a beautiful website, engage with your audience, and sell anything, your products, content you create, and even your time. So right now I'm going to be using my Squarespace as a blogging platform, which I'm so excited about. You can create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system that supports threaded comments, replies, and likes. And I can't wait to communicate with you guys on there as well. Squarespace's powerful blogging tools to categorize, share, and schedule your posts too. Something that was always so important to me is connecting my social media accounts. Display posts from your social profiles on your website, automatically push website content to your favorite social media channels so your followers can share it too. And for anything that I start posting on my blog that maybe I don't also share on my YouTube, I can add a mailing list. Get the right messages to the right people, collect email addresses through your website, and send subscribers the information they care about most with a unique mailing list. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Lainey for 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. And I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.